In today's information driven world, every conversation, whether it is a legal hearing, a business meeting, or a podcast, has immense value. But have you ever wondered who converts these spoken words into readable text? That is the work of a transcriber, and the process is known as audio transcription. Hi everyone, I am Parimal from Progressive Bureau, and today I will explain what transcription really means, how it is transforming industries, and how you can benefit from it. So, what exactly is transcription? In simple words, transcription means converting spoken words into written text. It can be a business meeting, a YouTube video, a court hearing, or even a medical conversation. Whenever audio or video is turned into text, that is simply called as transcription. It sounds simple, but it actually requires great listening skills, attention to detail, and language accuracy. Because even a single wrong word can change the entire meaning of a legal statement or even a medical report. You will be surprised to know that in India and across the world, transcription plays a huge role in the legal, medical, and academic sectors. In courts, audio recordings are transcribed as evidence. In businesses, interviews and meetings are documented for clarity. In education, students and researchers use transcripts for reference. Without transcription, there would be no written record of what was actually said. So it's not just simple typing, it is a professional documentation skill. So there are various forms and types of audio transcription. I would one by one explain the types of transcription, what we do. And first is full verbatim transcription. Every single sound, pause, filler, and expression such as hmm, or laughter or someone coughing is included in that. This style is usually preferred in legal or psychological recordings where every utterance matters. So, second is clean verbatim transcription. This form removes filler words, background noises, and unnecessary repetitions to make the content smooth and easy to read. It is often used for business meetings and interviews. So understanding these forms helps client choose the most suitable transcription style for their purpose. Now, how the transcription is done. Professional transcribers use high quality headphones, transcription softwares, and a lot of patience. So, softwares have a very limited role to play here. I must tell you that in countries other than India, the softwares can work extremely well. But in India, the problem is that we have so many languages, so many accents, and we everyone has different speaking speed, so it is very difficult. There is no such software at the moment which can capture all the Indian languages, all the Indian accents perfectly. So we have to rely, like if you are using software as well, you have to ultimately assign a human transcriber to that software, take a software transcription. So because there is no replacement of human transcription at the moment, the process is a very detailed one. It includes listening carefully to the audio. One by one you have to rewind, like most times you have to rewind the audio, you have to listen to the audio again and again, typing the words exactly as they are being spoken, proofreading for accuracy and grammar, formatting the document according to the client needs. Like there is a concept of timestamp here. So timestamp, if it is a long call of 50 minutes, so we put around 5 minute timestamp in multiple of every 5 minutes. So it is a if it is a short call of around 20 minutes or 15 minutes, then we can put a smaller timestamps like of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So speaker is identification is also very important. So if two people are speaking, you have to perfectly identify the names of the speaker. So at Progressive Bureau, we provide 100% human transcription services to ensure accuracy and confidentiality. How can anyone earn from transcription? Yes, absolutely. Transcription is one of the most popular freelance professions today. Many people work from home doing transcription for international clients and they are earning in dollars. The income depends on experience, accuracy, and audio quality, but even beginners can start learning and earning with practice. The best part is you don't need any heavy investment, just a computer, a good internet connection, and sharp listening skills. That is all you need. In India, transcription work is growing rapidly, especially in legal, business, and educational sectors. Companies and law firms often need Indian professionals who understand regional accents and can deliver fast and accurate results. That is where our company Progressive Bureau comes in. We provide transcription services for legal, audio, business interviews, focused meetings, podcast, and even academic research. So next time if someone asks you what is audio transcription, I'm sure you will be able to explain better what is audio transcription. You will know that it is not just simple typing, it is a skilled profession of documentation, converting your audio into a document that connects spoken words to written proof. If you want to know how transcription can become a freelance career or how we handle client projects at Progressive Bureau, kindly stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.